Hi, I'm Daniel from Passivhaus Hub. Together with Julia, I will be your mentor on your journey to become a certified Passivhaus professional. If you're here, you're probably curious about how Passivhaus can transform your career. Maybe you want to future-proof your skills, win better projects, or simply stand out in this rapidly changing building industry. This live session is designed to help you to decide if certification is right for you. Yes, the Passivhaus Institute certification. We talk you through the return of investment, show you your career options, and answer all your direct questions in the live session. When you register, you also get instant access to our designer starter kit. So you can start learning today, even before we meet. And during the live session, we share exclusive bonuses that are only available for people who attend. So for action takers. So if you're ready to explore the future of sustainable design, register your interest now. I'm looking forward to meet you live and help you to take the next step in your Passive House journey. So click on register your interest and I see you there. Bye bye.